About 4 years ago, I became ridiculously good at pulling women. Like, my last 3 girlfriends all said that I had the gift of the gab. And the truth is, it wasn't always this way. I used to be very, very shy in high school, like struggling for confidence and so inside of my head and worried about approaching women and going for what I wanted in life. And the key thing that transformed my whole life was getting into sales, having a deep understanding of human behavior and starting to connect to a bigger purpose in life. And that's what I found through my journey. What women really want is a man that has direction in life, a man that has purpose, a man that is unwavering in their path and has an understanding of emotional vulnerability and how to create an emotional connection. And I started to learn all of these things in sales, that it was just about stripping down all of the bravado and actually being authentic and trusting myself and being confident in who I am.